3 platforms for getting traffic from paid ads. Want more traffic visiting your page yesterday? The fastest way to gain traffic for a brand is to advertise. This way, you can create links directly to your pages that will be seen by a large number of people. There's no waiting around while your page climbs the ranks of Google. There's no laborious process of building a massive social media audience. It's just a direct route to the top and the immediate exposure that brings. But the question then is, where is the best place to advertise? And how do you choose the best platform for your brand? What are the pros and cons of each? In this presentation, we'll demystify the process of getting paid traffic. Google Ads. Google Ads are the first platform that springs to mind for many people when it comes to paid ads. In fact, Google advertising and PPC are almost synonymous for many people. Google Ads are ads that appear on Google search results. The full name is Google AdWorks, and technically, you're paying to appear on SERPs, search engine results pages. These are the pages that are generated by specific searches. So in practice, you are paying to have your ad appear when someone searches for a given phrase or word. Google Ads will then appear above the organic results for visitors to click. If you have been spending a lot of time on search engine optimization, trying to get your website to rank at the top of Google for certain terms, then Google Ads offers you a way to bypass that process and get right to the top. This has many huge benefits. For instance, it will allow you to consider the user intent. That means you're not only thinking about what the person is looking for, but why they are looking for it. Certain keywords are more likely to be used when someone is shopping, for example, while others might indicate that they just want something to read. Finally, Google Ads have the benefit of letting you test certain keywords before spending a lot of time doing painstaking SEO. Facebook ads. Like Google Ads, Facebook ads are a form of PPC advertising. This stands for pay-per-click, and it means that you only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. This is great news for small businesses and those starting out because it means that you won't actually pay anything if your ad is completely unsuccessful. The other advantage of Facebook ads specifically is that they allow you to very carefully target specific people based on the information they share on the social network. Ads appear on the home feed, and you can ensure they show based on a person's age, sex, location, interests, social network, and even their income. YouTube ads. Finally, YouTube ads are a very underutilized form of advertising for businesses. These ads display on top of YouTube videos or play as videos themselves before videos play, a kind of evolution from television ads. YouTube ads cost based on the amount of views they get, but they have the distinct advantage of letting you convey far more information using a very rich media format. The result is that they can drive sales and cash in a way that other platforms simply cannot.
Hey, this is Chad Pornoa. Thanks again for watching this video. What I'd like to do is offer you a free opportunity to get a powerful backlink builder for your YouTube videos. All you need to do is click the link below this video and you'll get a copy of our 2 backlink builder software for 100% free, plus with YouTube SEO training that will show you in 8 different videos how to make sure that your YouTube channel videos are getting ranked high in the YouTube rankings and Google. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.